Hi guys, Piotr here. This is LiteFinance Global YouTube channel. It's my pleasure to be with you again. As you can see, Atlantic Ocean is very calm, passive. So that's the theme of our meeting today. We are going to discuss the strategy for passive, not aggressive traders. So without a further delay, let's jump straight into the charts. All right, so what I have for the passive traders today is a confluence trading, meaning that you need to have quite few confirmations around the same level from the different, using the different tools, right? It could be, for example, as we have today, it might be quite surprise for you, but as we have today, for example, MACD, right? Oscillator over here, and it might be giving some kind of the signal based around the level you have from the price action technique, right? Or it could be the sell signal on the oscillator with, for example, the Fibonacci level. So for example, that was the move to the downside. Then you have your Fibonacci levels, and with MACD, you're trying to get the short, trying to sell. It could be oscillator, the level from the price action technique. It could be also the pivot level, right? So meaning that using the different tools, right, you are getting to buy or sell signal from all of that around the current level where the market price is. So that's why it's I would say for passive traders more, because this type of the traders, they need quite few confirmations. They are not in a rush, they are not chasing the market, and most probably they are not aggressive day traders, even if they are doing the day trading. So it's a quite few trades over the course of the day. So that's how I see the things related to the confluence trading. We are going to take into the consideration few examples based on the latest euro-dollar price action. All right. So I'm going to show you quite few things. When it comes to the MACD, there are many different, many different signals, right? It could be the signal line crossing the zero line, right? It could be the things that the tree is going and crossing the signal line, right? So plenty of different approaches. When you are trying to test the confluence trading, you have to use your tools the same as you are using with the different strategies when it comes to the open, but then few of them have to giving you the entry signals. All right, so what we have here is the euro-dollar latest chart. So for example, we were going strongly down, but the latest move to the downside, right, been taken out. Okay, and the latest move to the downside been taken out. That could be one signal that we might the move higher, or for more advanced traders, as you know, not necessarily this is the active top. This one might be the active top. So this type of the price action with the moving higher above this one could be the signal for you. Anyway, what I want to show you with this example, that we have the quite nice move down towards 61.8 when it comes to Fibonacci. At the same time, the tree been crossing the signal line on MACD. All right, so that's, for example, first confluence trade. The second could be, as I mentioned, when we hit and move higher above this double swing to the downside like this. All right, so we take out this high over here. So again, let's try to use the MACD of the last swing to the upside. All right, let's check what we have. In that case, it was around 38.2, very aggressive move over here. There was a confluence based on the broken high of this valid swing high, right? So that was the second thing. 38.2 on the fib, price action level, and at the same time we were crossing again the 3 of the MACD been crossing the signal line to the upside, and as you can see we went much higher in that case. Well, let's have a look to the downside what we have. So let's make some changes here and let's check what has happened here. So strong move to the downside. All right, so we took out all these important lows we've seen here and here. All right, strong move to the downside, rally up towards 38.2. okay, at the same time the MACD been crossing the signal line, been crossing the 0 as well. The 3 was below the signal line. Strong move in that case to the downside. All right, of course, when you are trying to approach this strategy, important thing is that, for example, with this price action over here, quite aggressive spike higher, rejection, close below the previous high, so your stop would be above. And well, the things when it comes to the stop loss and take profit order, the ratio here at least 2.5 to 1. I would prefer 3 to 1, and if I'm not going to get this type of the price action I would like to see, I'm simply not going to enter. Again, it's for those who are looking for additional confirmation, right? They are not so active. They like to have the easy approach without some kind of the nervousness. So guys, as usual, please do your own research, do your own homework, and stay safe. With that being said, wish you great next Confluence trading day, and see you around. Take care and goodbye.